buying from sites like eBay, Amazon, and other e-commerce websites available in the US has been challenging for Nigerians. We know that the logistics in Nigeria is poor, coupled with other government issues. Nigeria has a huge market in e-commerce. There is a huge e-commerce market in Nigeria, which Jumia, Konga, and other native e-commerce websites are taking advantage of. But most of the time, the problem is that our orders get mixed up, deliveries coming late, and coupled with the fact that some of the items are not quality items. You get to order this item and you find out that, what the fuck, what did I just order? We didn't order the right item. So, and it's not just that, there are some products that you cannot find on Jumia or Konga that you want, that you can find on eBay or on Amazon and all of that. So you see, the problem is that we are limited to the products we can buy. But that's why I'm here to help you get that product that you cannot get from the US. So if you watch to the end of this video, you will discover how you can order from US sites like Amazon, eBay, and get it delivered to your house. However, if you don't understand this, you're going to be stuck with getting items from Jumia, Konga, local websites, items that are expensive or maybe low quality items, and you face the wahala of dealing with late deliveries and mixed up orders. My name is Charles and I'm passionate about businesses. I love to see people and businesses grow, and that's what I do in this channel. I create amazing videos of online marketing, business, entrepreneurship, make money online and life. If this is your first time on this channel, just subscribe, turn on the notification sign to be notified whenever I put out a new video. And if you get value from this video, do not forget to drop a comment in the comment section and like and share this video so that this video will be able to reach more people. I enjoy buying from eBay. I enjoy buying from Amazon because I'm able to get cheap products, I'm able to get genuine products, I'm able to get high quality products, and also build a relationship with international sellers. So you can use this website I'm about to share with you to take care of your shipping, order stuff in the US, and then ship it to Nigeria. So how does this work? The first thing you do is to sign up on eBay or Amazon or any of those websites. You can use a VPN to do that if you want, but I don't think it's necessary. When you're done with that, you place your order. After your order is placed, you use the same address that Heroshe will give to you and put it as your delivery address on Amazon or eBay. You see, when you sign up in Heroshe, they're going to give you an address and a phone number that you will use when setting up your Amazon, eBay, or any of those maybe Etsy accounts. So you can put it as delivery address so that they'll be delivered to their warehouse in the US. So they'll provide you with a US address and a US phone number that you will use as your delivery address on Amazon or eBay. So once the item is bought, the item will be shipped to their warehouse. Then they will receive it and, you know, send it to you in Nigeria, to your house in Nigeria. Heroshe is fast, Heroshe is reliable. You can use Heroshe for a whole lot of things. You can use it for dropshipping, you can use it for other business ideas. You can just decide that, okay, I want to be supplying certain kind of products that can be gotten in Nigeria, which you can get it for cheap in the US, because there are some products that are way cheaper to get it in the US than getting it in China. So there are many business ideas that this, you know, buying from eBay, Amazon, and then bringing it to Nigeria and selling, you can just build up something. So let me just dive into my laptop and show you how this can be done. But please do watch till the end, because towards the end of the video, I'm going to be sharing an important information about using Heroshe. For example, there is something or there is a step that people ignore, but it is necessary to do it in order for you to, you know, for Heroshe to complete your order. So I'm going to be sharing it with you, and I'm going to make everything clear for you so that you'll be able to order from stuff from the US, nice stuff from the US, and then get it down to Nigeria. And let's just get started. So the first thing you have to do is to go to heroshe.com. So once you're signed up on Amazon, maybe in another video, I'll show you how to get started with signing up on Amazon. So now this is Amazon. So we'll go to Amazon, amazon.com, and then we'll search for something. Let's say we're searching for lead drumstick, and we search for lead drumstick, and I say, okay, I want to buy this. I'm going to select it, and then once it's selected, I'm going to buy now. Click buy now. So once you're done with clicking buy now, now remember you need an address to send what you just picked up, what you want to buy. So go to heroshe.com. So this is heroshe.com. If you have a shipment already, you can track it by entering the tracking number here, and you can see it's affordable to ship to Nigeria, easy package tracking, no custom duties, and they're going to send things to you in Nigeria very quick. So this is Amazon. You can shop from Amazon, Apple. That means you can buy the latest iPhone from Apple and get it delivered to Nigeria. This is eBay and ASOS, Adidas, Zara, and this is Nike. And it's very easy. We're just going to get started, and you can see you can pick it up from their warehouse in Lagos, or they do home delivery in Lagos or outside Lagos for you. Depends what you want. So what you're going to do is create an account. You're going to click to create an account to get started. You're going to input first name. For example, we're going to use Charles, and the last name we'll use something else, Charles King. Then for email address, we're going to use we just write something there, Charles at gmail.com, whatever it is. Then we'll put a random password, and you click I agree, and then you click create an account. An account will be created. I already have an account with Heroshe, so I'm just going to sign into my account. So once you sign into your account, you're going to see something like this. Now look here. Now you've seen this is my full name. This is the address that they've given to me, and you can see the address is in Texas, and I also have a US phone number. So now you're going to use this thing on your eBay or Amazon account that you want. And you can see if you have shipments, you see it here. If you have wallet, you can put your money in your wallet, and you can see other stuff. That's, I'm going to explain all this stuff later. So let's go over to Amazon. So you can add your payment, how you can pay, payment method. Once you added the payment method, you add your address, delivery address. So let's click continue. Here we can add delivery address. This is my old delivery address. So if you want to add the delivery address, you just go to change and then set up a delivery address. So let's use you go to add new shipping address. Once you go to add new shipping address, you go to your Heroshe dashboard, copy this, click here to copy the first. Once you put the first line, others will come up. You put your first line of address here, and then it's up. So what is left is the phone number. Do not forget to add this phone number. So I'm going to call the people at the warehouse to come pick it up, or if there's any issue. So you add the phone number here, and then when you're done, you click use this address. So once that is done, you can see the address here is shipping to this place. So click continue. I'm on Amazon Prime, so I'm supposed to get free shipping tomorrow. Yeah, free fast delivery tomorrow. So what they're going to do is that they're going to send this package to the warehouse, to Heroshe's warehouse in the US. Prime delivery. I've selected Prime delivery, 1-day delivery. So you can use, if you're a Prime member of Amazon, then you can use their free 1-day delivery. So tomorrow, Heroshe is going to receive this order. So let me place the order right now. So everything is $27. So I'm going to place this order now. Place your order. I just placed order, placed, thanks. Confirmation will be sent to your email address. So this confirmation, we are going to send an email to Heroshe. So once you sign up, they'll send you this email. From here, they say forward the order confirmation email you receive from a US store to warehouse@heroshe.com every time you place an order. We need a copy of your order confirmation for every order you ship to Heroshe warehouse. So what you'll be doing is that you have to forward the order confirmation of every order that you make to this email, warehouse@heroshe.com. So I'm going to be forwarding this to this. Let me check my email address. So this is the order confirmation, and I'm going to be forwarding it to Heroshe warehouse@heroshe.com. So you don't need to do anything, just forward this and put there send. So it has been forwarded to heroshe.com. So order has been placed. So once they have received the item, you'll see it here in shipments and orders, and you'll be able to fund your wallet. You can fund your wallet now or whenever you see the changes in your account, so that I can make payments and get them to ship it to your address in Nigeria. Then you're going to put the address details and all of that. In another video, I'm going to show you the end part, which is maybe adding your address and doing the final part for them to send it to your address in Nigeria. So just check out another my video where I talked about it. But with this one, you can start with just, you know, ordering that product. So this can be done on any other website, Nike, Apple website, eBay and all of that. On eBay, you can get cheap products, used laptops, used phones. You can buy it and resell it. So you can try setting this up on eBay and try getting stuff with eBay, and, you know, use Heroshe for your shipment and all of that. So that's how you get started with buying on eBay, Amazon, and then shipping it to your house address in Nigeria. You see, this is an opportunity to create several businesses from this opportunity of, you know, getting things in the US for cheap. Maybe you can buy used goods, used products, used phones, and there are so many websites where you can get used items. So and sell it. You know, where you're getting used items, you can get it for cheap and sell it for a higher rate in Nigeria for those people that want to buy used products and sell, like used phones and all those things. And there's also other websites where you can get used laptops, used clothes and all those things for very cheap amount, and then you send it to Nigeria and then you sell it for a high amount. So there are different business ideas that this Heroshe can help you with. There are other ways you can also do this. People do not know that you can also use GIG logistics to send things from the UK, from the US, buy from maybe any of this Amazon, eBay, and send it to their warehouse, GIG logistics warehouse. But I'm not going to talk about this. Maybe in another video, if I'm going to talk about it, I'm going to talk about it. But the thing is, it has to be not less than 5 kg. But you see Heroshe here, it doesn't matter if your item is 0. You know, or if your item is 100 grams, 100 grams, they're still going to ship it for you at a very cheap rate. But other people like GIG Logistics, they want you to have at least 5 kg worth of goods before they'll ship it. It can be less, but you're going to be paying worth of 5 kg. So unless you're doing big orders, you want to go with GIG Logistics. So maybe I might talk about that in another video. If this is your first time on this channel, subscribe to this channel. You'll see more videos about making money, business, you know, life and all of that. And if you've gotten value from this video, drop a comment in the comment section. And if you have any questions, tips, anything you want to share with me, just put it in the comment section. I'm going to reply. I'm going to drop a feedback for you. I might even make a video about it. So thank you for staying with me till the end of this video, and go check this off, do this thing, order, try this out, and come back to the comment section and tell me what you think after trying it out, if this is a good deal or if this is a good way for you to order things from the US. I would like you to also check this other video right here. I have something important to share with you there. Seriously, you want to check it out.